Hey YouTube, this is Zach with Achilles Financial, and we are back looking at Tyson Foods, ticker symbol TSN, and we are looking as they are announcing earnings tomorrow morning bright and early at 7:30 a.m. Eastern Time. What I want to highlight is, as you can see by the current stock price of essentially $59, they actually closed at $60, so they had a pretty sharp drop off going into the weekend. And you can see that here by the 1 week view. That generally speaking does not bode well for earnings when it does a sharp move right beforehand. However, I do think that we should see a relatively strong earnings preview here because there has been pretty strong reports going on concerning Tyson Foods and the buying that's been going on there despite any of the meat shortages. That being said, I do think there may be some time here to buy a short-term call to watch some run-up for this following earnings. However, we do have a very uncertain week ahead of us. So that being said, depending on the overall market move, I think that their earnings are going to go relatively not exciting. And the reason for that is, again, while it is lower than it has been in quarters past, I think even though they may have the ability to have a beat, even if it's a small one, that we're not really going to see a huge move here. And the reason for that is because if you look over the past month, there's been some strong movement upwards. It looks like we even peaked around $64, $65 a share, and a lot of that was erased just in the past week. And the reason for that is, again, there's a lot of speculation on what's going on in the market right now with China, as well as with the states reopening their economies. So that being said, I think that a lot of that is going to overshadow Tyson. However, if you're looking to make a day trade, I think there's some potential here. The downside of this is I don't think the stock is going to move a lot. So if you are a beginner trader and you are thinking, hey, how can I make a move and make a little bit of money here? I don't know if Tyson is going to be the move for you, just because it is probably not going to react with their earnings, but rather going to react with the broader market. And that being said, I think they are still a good long-term investment because with the current narrative surrounding the meat shortages, I do think that Tyson has a strong supply chain and they're not going to struggle at this point in time, at least per the reports that they've been releasing at this point. So that being said, let me know if you're looking at Tyson Foods, if it's even been on your radar. If so, let me know in the comments below. Thanks. Talk to you guys later.